We divide 778 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 7 and it is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 8 and it is 28. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 778 divided by 5 is 155 decimal 6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.